Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about TypedArray.find method. So, in the TypedArray, there is a method called find, which will, as the name suggests, which will find you that value which will first to satisfy that condition, and it will return as a typed value. Otherwise, if nothing found, it gonna return undefined. So what we're gonna do is function is negative and pass parameters like element, comma, index, comma, array. When we're done with that, what we're gonna do is return element smaller than 0. So if it's negative, it will return that element. This is what it does. So after that, what we're gonna do is create a const int 8 and use the new operator and create an 8 array. After that, we will pass an array 10, 0, -10, 20, -30, 40, and -50. When we're done with that, log it on a console, int 8 dot find and pass that function, and if the arrays fulfill its condition, it gonna return that as it is. So if we like to check now, it will be -10, 30, and -50. So it's -10. If we remove that, it will be -30. If we do that next, it will be -50, and if we remove that too, it's gonna say undefined. So hope you guys understand this video. If you have any problem regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.